We all talk about learning. Learn from this, learn from that. Start learning. Don't waste your time. Oh, we've been learning. Mm, I don't know whether when we were in the womb, right from the kindergarten, until we are 6 feet under the soil. Learning is beautiful. But why do we take a step back? Implementation is the happiness. And it takes time. Sometimes it's in a go. At time, it's either light as a feather or heavy as a thunder. And one more thing is that learning happens with a head-on collision. Yes, it does. Such learning leaves an impact for the lifetime. It gets etched in every cell. Every DNA strand carries that information. And every neurons will always play that movie in front of our eyes. Such is the power of learning when it is head-on collisions. The first step and subsequently taking steps. Yes, it is the dogma for the learning to happen. Happiness is that learning starts with a head-on collision. And it's fine to learn and be happy with all those head-on collisions so that not yet another happens. I learned and I'm happy with few head-on so that I don't repeat it. Learning is beautiful and happiness is that learning starts with head-on at times, head-on collisions. Thank you. See you soon in the next episode. Expectations. Looks like a smaller word, but has a huge impact. Can travel to any part of the world. It could be from our parents, from our partner, friends, relatives, children, school, teacher, or organization. Does it drive us or we drive away ourselves from expectations? The reality is there is happiness. Happiness is that expected and unexpected are merged. Few things happen like a lightning, and it happens in a lightning speed. At times, thunder comes first, and then the light of hope. Not at the end of the tunnel, well, the whole tunnel is lit up. Learning is that the inner child always hints about the unexpected expected or unexpected expectations. Oh, I love this maze with the words. Happiness is that expected and unexpected are merged. Few situations brings a ray of hope and the sun of life, and a beautiful pattern is formed when the expected and unexpected merge. It's beautiful to embrace the unexpected as it sows the seed of hope to live in the now always. What are you expecting today? See you soon in the next episode.